Melody is often described as the voice of a song, even in instrumental pieces. It's the tune you hum, the part you can't get out of your head. A strong melody can evoke emotions from the joy of a catchy pop chorus to the melancholy of a haunting ballad. It's the thread that guides the listener through the narrative of the song, making it an essential element in songwriting. Crafting a memorable melody is both an art and a science. It's about finding a series of notes that flow well, have a clear rhythm, and evoke the desired emotion. When crafting melody, think about its contour, the rises and the falls. This shape can influence how a listener feels. A well-crafted melody can transcend language barriers, resonating with listeners from diverse backgrounds and cultures. Here are some general rules and guidelines for crafting a lyrical melody. Resolution. Melodies often resolve by moving downwards at the end of a phrase, giving a sense of closure. This is especially common at the end of a verse or chorus. Tension and release. Creating tension by moving the melody upward and then releasing it by moving downwards can be very effective. This can be used to mirror the emotional arc of the lyrics. Repetition. Repeating melodic phrases can make a song more memorable. However, too much repetition can make it monotonous, so it's essential to find the right balance. Contrast. If the verse has a lower, more mellow melody, consider making the chorus higher and more energetic. This contrast can make the chorus stand out and feel more impactful. Stepwise motion. Melodies that move stepwise, i.e. moving from one note to the next adjacent note, are often easier to sing and remember, such as from A to B to C to D, rather than A to D. Leap motion. While stepwise motion is more common, occasional leaping to a note that's further away can add interest and surprise. However, too many leaps can make the melody challenging to sing along with. Rhythmic variation. Varying the rhythm of the melody can add dynamism and prevent it from becoming monotonous. Consider using longer note durations for more emotional or significant words and shorter rhythms for more energetic sections. Stay within a singable range. While it's tempting to showcase vocal prowess with very high or low notes, it's essential to ensure the melody remains singable for the intended singer and audience. Do you want to create an anthem that the audience and listeners will sing along to, or do you want them to marvel at your technique and ability? Match the melody to the mood. If the lyrics are melancholic, a slower, descending melody might be appropriate. Conversely, upbeat lyrics might be better suited to a faster, ascending melody. Phrasing. Think of melodic phrases like sentences. They should have a clear beginning, middle, and end, with pauses or rests, similar to punctuation in a sentence. Avoid monotony. While repetition is essential, avoid using the same melodic pattern for every line. Introduce variations to keep the listener engaged. Harmonic support. Ensure that the melody aligns well with the underlying chords. The melody should highlight the chord tones, especially on strong beats.